Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 3rd, 2022. We're going to talk about block today. We're going to talk about this particular market. You guys can see that it's been a while. So I wanted to come through and update all of our subscribers, all of our community members as to what I'm seeing on the price chart in Square. I mean, it's down bad. And I know you guys seen videos of other YouTubers telling you all to buy these dips. And it hasn't been a good journey, has it? If you continue to buy these dips, because block continues to drop in price, and that's not a good thing, especially when you hear people telling you to buy these stocks on quote-unquote discount. Yeah, this stock is still on discount, and we're going to talk about that today. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I'm not here to tell you that everything is a buy. No, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I'm gonna show you basically whether or not the market is a buy or not. I got to give you the information basically on how we see the chart. We got to follow the price chart because it gives you what people feel. Yeah, you let me know. Starting here, October 27, 2021. Everyone was probably feeling ecstatic. Everyone was happy. Everyone was excited. You know, block is trading around all-time high levels. Can we continue to see this market go up? But then you start to see this market fall. And then everyone starts to question, maybe I need a dollar cost average, or maybe I need to buy this dip because long term. Oh, then you start hearing this terminology of long term. I'm a long-term investor. And then a couple more days go by trading and market continues to fall. Then you begin to say, well, should I dollar cost average again? Should I buy more? It's on discount. It's on discount. And you buy more. The market is telling you it's weak. The market is telling you not to buy. The market is telling you don't come into the market right now in block if you're trying to play the upside. But still, you got a whole lot of YouTubers, whole lot of investors telling you all to come in and buy these dips. Don't worry about it. I'm a long-term investor. Give it 2 years. Okay. Price continues to fall. You dollar cost average in again. And again, you buy these dips. They continue to take its own discount. Price and block continue to fall. When will they tell you that the price is weak? You all can visually see here on my price chart that block is weak. Why would you try to come in and say that this is a buy, that you need to come in and purchase this particular stock right now? It is telling you it's weak. But yet and still, you have so many people tell you that the market is manipulated, that you can't win, that you always lose, that the market is being rigged. No, the market is telling you what it feels already. You just don't want to pay attention to it because you see one narrative of the markets. You have to begin to see the price chart as two-sided streets. Which one is the majority of the market on? Right now, the majority of the market participants are on the sell side. You need to simply follow that then and say, all right, cool. If I'm looking for the price to go up, I don't need to participate right now. I don't need to deploy my money in the account and buy this stock when I see that it's going down. This is not the moment to do that. Everyone else is selling, but they're telling you to come in and buy this because in the next 45 years, this market in Square is going to be a lot higher. So again, that's just a small snippet. I'm going to give you the real. I'm going to give you all what the perception of the market really is at this moment in time so that you guys don't get caught off guard. I mean, I did a video right here on the 20th of December. I was telling you all then that the market in Square was weak. So I'm not surprised. 21.5% was concluded right there on the 14th of January. And we saw price even go lower than that to 31.41% on the close of yesterday. So now let's get rid of it. You guys, I think you guys get the gist. I mean, the market in Square is weak and we are not in a buyer's market. No, not yet. So we need to try to zoom out on this price chart and figure out how low can this price go. And you may actually already see it. There's two areas that I'm already noticing that we may see the market in Square or block bounce. First area is right around here. And we already did it. We already did it on, let me zoom in so you all can see this. Okay. We already did it right here. The 24th and the 28th of January. Cool. Now we're getting the first introduction of where buyers are trying to approach the market. Now, this is a massive downtrend though. Like we saw this value in block lose how much? Let's see. From October. This market has lost 57%, right? If you bought at the high in October, you're down 57%. Now, it doesn't mean that the market needs to go back up 57% just for you to break even. No, take a look at this. Square would have to increase 137% just for you to break even. 137%. Now, I want you all to see this. Okay. If you were to buy the market in block on September 20, 2020, right? The market only went up 100% to 280. It took the market from September 2020 to February 22nd, 2021 just to hit that level, right? Now, this was when the market was in a bullish run. Everything was going up at that time. Now we're coming right back down. We already have created and established a market right here now. Okay, we've created this market now. So on any pretext of us seeing this price in block go back up, it's going to be a lot harder because now we got a lot of people trapped. We got a lot of people now in the market in square or block in bad positions. So on any pretext of us going up, it's going to be a hard fight because everyone's just going to try to break out and get out their positions now. When the market first was going up in block here back in the beginning of 2020, there wasn't no individuals, no market participants trapped. Now we created that. So under any pretext of us seeing this market go up, it's going to be a hard fight. And I'm here to tell you all that for block. Okay. It's going to be a lot easier for the market to go down than it is going to be seeing the price go up. Now, that's our first area right there around 100. There's a lot of pressure in this market of block going down right now. Look at this on the monthly. Okay, we concluded the month of January. You guys can see it. We are still seeing the market in block get rejected right there around 135. So that's going to be our newest areas of restriction right here. The market is speaking and letting us know what's going on, and we can actually follow that. So as long as block continues to trade below this horizontal line of 134, 135, we're going to continue to see some weakness. Now, this is the biggest area of support right here that we can see the market in block come down towards around 83. This is where the market is really finding support. This is where the market at last gas in 2019, 2018, we saw a congregation of buying and selling. So this market is in free fall and it hasn't found a firm foundation. That's going to be around $80, $85 from a long-term view. I'm just giving you all this heads up. This is block on the 2 weeks and it's still weak. So I'm going to play the weakness here into the market. I'm going to have two price targets. The first one is still going to be around 100. If I see massive amount of volume come through around $100 and strength, that is going to be the bottom. But looking at all this weight, we just shot straight down. We don't have enough support here around 100 to really keep this market up. So we got to go down to the next level, which is around 85. Okay. So now let me put this on the chart. Still going to play the weakness here into the market in block. And I got two price targets. I'm letting you know this already. Okay. The first area is around 100. Okay. Which is around 12.25% movement to the downside. And the other area is right there around 85. Which is around 26%. So we can still see this market in block drop another 26%. Yes. I think I'm gonna hold this around. It's gonna be between 140 and 135 for us to see this market get rejected in block. But generally, we're still weak. Even if I were to see the market trade up here towards 135, 140, let's say the market does come up here to 135, 140, right? But we still see the market get rejected and weakness comes in and we start to come back down. That lets me know that we're still on point. That lets me know that the market is still weak. It's just trying to catch a lot of the market participants into thinking that this market is ready to massively go up in price That is not this environment in block. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead and play some weakness here into the market. You guys heard it. You guys can see my price target, what I'm looking forward to in the market in block. Okay. Let's go ahead and follow the market. I mean, the market is letting us know already what it thinks. And we just simply need to come in and pay attention and listen. So now I want to know, what do you think about the market in block? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? You got my 2 price targets. Let me know real quick, what do you see? And that's it. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.